Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, and again, today's date is Thursday, December 18th, 2014. What I want to talk about today is how I knew to buy Wynn Resorts yesterday. I want to show you the technical reasons why I did so, and already the stock is up almost 3% today, giving us a great gain today. Plus, I bought at yesterday's low, so we were already up about 1.5% yesterday. This stock should go higher, and again, I continue to be long the stock and believe it will go higher. And again, if you're a member here at InTheMoneyStocks.com as part of the Research Center, you got this trade alert when I took it yesterday. And again, if you did, you bought it with me, and we are in the money beautifully over $5 at this point in time. All right, let's go over it right now. What I'm going to do first and foremost is flip to the daily chart. All right, so let's go to the daily chart. This is the intraday you're looking at now. Let's flip over to the daily chart. And what I think is striking, and this I didn't know yesterday was going to form, but I had suspicions it would, was a bottoming tail. So right off the bat, bottoming tail. But even before that formed, I knew this was a no-brainer buy. I knew it was a great opportunity. And again, my exact entry was $137.15 as given to the Research Center. If you zoom out, this is where it starts to get interesting because you can see this consolidation right here. And again, anytime you see consolidation on the chart before it breaks out, when it comes back into that, that's going to be support. So right off the bat, pivot high here, consolidation here before the breakout. And that again is telling you it's a scene of the crime play as it came back into that level. But more importantly, what I was looking at was the larger time frames. For instance, go to your weekly chart and look at that. And all right, this is an awesome chart, guys. Look at the 200 moving average on the weekly. All right, plus that consolidation in this previous pivot right there. So again, 3-bar surge. 1, 2, 3. We know that stocks generally will get a bounce on a 3-bar surge on a decline or pull back after a 3-bar surge to the upside. So 1, 2, 3, piercing the 200 moving average into the consolidation pre-breakout level, which again is a return to the scene of the crime. Then what I did was I zoomed out to the monthly chart. And take a look at this, guys. I think this is awesome too. If you go back to 2007, there was a pivot high right here. If I take a trend line and put it in from that pivot high, look at what we get here. All right, isn't that awesome? So you really had pivot high, huge pullback, bounce, pierced it, another pivot high, pullback, consolidation, breakout. This is a return to this pivot high on the monthly, plus the weekly 200 moving average, plus the bottoming tail on the daily. And when you see this many signals shaping up, you know you're going to be in a good position to make money. And that's what we're doing here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. So I wanted to go over this. I think as educational purposes, it's very key to those of you that are interested. And again, folks, in the money over $5 on this just since yesterday. And again, if you're new to buy, if you're a member here, you got the alert and you're in the money. Take care, guys. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.